Which PS Vita charger actually lasts? Simple question, but the answer's not so obvious. Most look identical, promise fast charging, and vanish after a few months. Today, I'm cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually deliver. Product number 1, FunTurbo USB Data and Charge Cable. First up is the FunTurbo PS Vita Charger Cable, a no-frills, budget-friendly replacement that punches above its weight at just $11.53. What caught my eye was its claim of being a direct upgrade over Sony's original cord, without the $15+ price tag. If you want reliable charging and data transfer without overpaying, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses heavy-duty AUG-22 power wires with 10 copper cores, which means less resistance and more stable current flow. Exactly what your aging PS Vita 1000 needs to charge efficiently. It supports fast charging with any 5V USB adapter, 1A or 2A, and unlike cheap knockoffs, it actually handles data sync via QCMA, making it perfect if you're modding with an SD to Vita adapter. Over 1,000 people bought this in the past month. And while there are no reviews yet, the specs line up with what real users need. Now, some people might worry about the lack of customer feedback, and honestly, that's fair. Newer listings can be risky. But given the solid build description and compatibility with only PS Vita 1000 models, PCH 1000 series, it's clearly designed for precision, not mass-market confusion. This is perfect for you if you own a PS Vita 1000 and want a durable, dual-purpose cable for both charging and file transfers. Skip this one if you have a PS Vita 2000 or Slim, it won't fit. For under $12, it's a smart, no-nonsense pick. Product number 2, Triverse Tech USB-C Adapter. Now, if the FunTurbo's fixed USB end feels outdated, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Triverse Tech USB-C female adapter at $12.81. This tiny adapter lets you use any modern USB-C cable to charge your PS Vita 1000, which is huge if you're tired of hunting for proprietary cords. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features 24 AWG pure copper cores, minimizing power loss and ensuring stable charging even with high-output USB-C chargers. The reinforced ABS connectors and PVC jacket mean it won't snap after a few bends, a common flaw in tiny adapters. At just 4 inches long, it keeps your setup clean, especially if you're charging at a desk or using a power bank. It's plug and play, but remember, you need your own USB-C cable, and it only works with PCH 1000 models. The biggest complaint, it doesn't include a USB-C cable, which feels like a missed opportunity. Some users expect an all-in-one solution, and having to supply your own cable can be annoying. Here's the thing though, if you already use USB-C for your phone or Switch, you probably have extra cables lying around. This adapter turns them into Vita chargers, saving you from buying yet another dedicated cord. This is perfect for you if you want future-proof charging and already own USB-C cables. Skip this one if you prefer a single cable solution or have a PS Vita 2000. At under $13, it's a clever upgrade for minimalists. Product number 3, a class USB-C converter cable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for clutter-free setups. The class USB-C charging adapter at just $10.65. This ultra-short 2-inch converter does one job well, lets you plug a USB-C cable into your PS Vita 1000. By keeping the connection short and rigid, it prevents bending stress that can break internal pins. It's also incredibly lightweight at 0.7 ounces, so it won't weigh down your console during handheld charging. Like the Triverse Tech, it requires a separate USB-C cable, but the lower price makes it a great backup or travel option. The downside, it offers zero data transfer charging only. If you mod your Vita or transfer games via USB, this won't cut it. Some buyers expect full functionality, and that lack of sync capability can be a deal breaker. Here's the thing though, if you only need charging and want the cheapest, most compact adapter possible, this delivers exactly that. This is perfect for you if you want a minimalist, travel-ready charging solution and already have USB-C cables. Skip this one if you need data transfer or have a Vita 2000. For under $11, it's a no-frills charger that does its one job well. Product number 4, CUNSTOP Fast Charger Kit. Now, if you're tired of relying on USB ports and want a dedicated wall charger, this next one brings serious power. The CUNSTOP Fast Charger at $15.38. Unlike cable-only options, this includes both a wall adapter and a 7.3-foot total cable length, giving you real flexibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It outputs 5V at 1.5A, which is higher than standard USB ports and matches Sony's original charger specs for faster, safer charging. The built-in protection chips prevent overheating and overcharging, critical for older batteries. It also supports data transfer, making it great for backups or modding. The flaw? It only works with PS Vita 1000 models, no slim support. Some buyers accidentally order it for their 2000, then get frustrated. Here's the thing though, if you have a 1000, this is one of the few kits that includes everything in one box. The US plug is fixed, so international users might need an adapter, but for stateside gamers, it's plug and play. This is perfect for you if you want a complete charging station with wall adapter and long cable. Skip this one if you have a PS Vita 2000 or travel internationally often. At $15, it's a full package deal. Product number 5, Skywin All-in-One Accessory Kit. Finally, if you want more than just a charger, the Skywin kit at $38.47 bundles a case, charging cable, and SD to Vita adapter, ideal for modders and travelers. This isn't just about power, it's about protecting and expanding your Vita experience. The EVA case has a soft interior and zipper closure, keeping your Vita, games, and cables safe on the go. The USB cable supports fast charging and data sync, and the whole kit works with both PS Vita 1000 and 2000 models, rare versatility. At 8.1 ounces, it's lightweight but sturdy. The catch? It's pricey compared to standalone chargers, and the microSD card isn't included, you have to buy that separately. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about modding or traveling with your Vita, this kit pays for itself by replacing multiple purchases. The case alone would cost $20+ elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want storage expansion, protection, and charging in one bundle. Skip this one if you only need a simple charger. At $38, it's an investment, but for enthusiasts, it's worth it. So which PS Vita charger should you buy? For pure value, the FunTurbo cable wins. Want modern USB-C convenience? Go Triverse Tech or a Class. Need a full wall charger? CUNSTOP delivers. And if you're modding or traveling, the Skywin kit covers all bases. No single option fits everyone, but one of these 5 will keep your Vita alive and ready to play.